Hi children, welcome back to your social science class. Today we are going to start block 2, houses then and now. In this block we are going to learn about how were the houses in the earlier and how it changed now. The houses in villages and cities in the earlier time and how it is now. That we are going to study in this block. Okay, so let us start our class. As we all know, we are living in a home. We are all are living in a home. Why do we live in house, children? Yes, we live in house because yes, it gives us shelter. It gives us shelter. Okay. Then protect from heat. Yes, it protect us from heat. Yes, heat, cold, rain, etc. Isn't it? Yes, it protects us from heat, cold, rain, wind, etc. Okay. Then another reason we can give, it protect us from animals, wild animals. Yes, protect from wild animals. Okay. So these are the reason we are living in house. Isn't it? We have to protect from heat, rain, cold, and we have to protect from wild animals. Okay, and we have to we are living in a house for shelter, isn't it? So these are the some reason we are living in a house. See children, different people make different types of houses, isn't it? Different people make different types of houses. So we can see some houses are very big and some houses are very small, isn't it? We know different people make different types of houses. Some people make big houses, some people make small houses. Why do different people make different types of houses? Yes, see the reason. Why do people make different types of houses? Yes, it is because of some houses are costly for others. So they will make small houses. Okay, so we can say one reason. Why do people make different types of houses? Why do people make different types of houses? Different types of houses. Okay. So why do people make different types of houses? One reason we can say that some houses are costly for others. Costly for others. So they will make small houses. Okay, some houses are costly for others means it will be expensive. Very rich people only can make big houses. So such houses cannot be made by some people. So that is why some people make small houses. Okay, so one reason we can say that some houses are costly for others. So they cannot make big houses. They used to make small houses. Okay, that is one reason we can say. Can you say any other reason why do the people make different types of houses? Yes, some people like to live in big houses. Some people like to live. Some people would like to live in big houses. Okay, that is why the people are making different types of houses. Some people do not have enough money with them. Then also they will make big houses. They will buy from others or borrow, take loan from banks. Like that way, anyway they will make big houses. But they will not have enough money with them. Then also they used to make big houses because they want to live in big house. Okay, that is the reason. That is why people are making different types of houses. Okay, then one more reason we can say that some people like to live in the small houses. Like to live in small houses. Okay, small houses. That means we know some people will have enough money with them. Then also they will not spend this money for making big houses. They do not like to live in the big houses. Okay, they like to live in small houses. That is why people make different types of houses. So we can say that, we can conclude that why do people make different types of houses? people make different types of houses because some houses are costly for other people. Okay, so they make different types of houses. Okay, they cannot make big house, they used to make small houses. Okay, then another reason we can say that some people like to live in big house. They choose big houses because they like to live in big house. Okay, that is why they used to make different house. The people make different house. Okay, then third reason we can say that some people like to live in small houses because they if they have enough money also, they used to make small houses because they would like to live in the small house. That also we can say one reason why do the people make different types of houses. So these are the some reason why do people make different types of houses. Okay, next we have to study what are the materials people use to make the houses, children. Yes, the people use different materials to make their houses. We know many materials are used, right? If it is hut, then we use mud, straws, isn't it? Straws, then bamboo, like that many things we can use. Bamboo, leaves, etc. we can use. Then cement we use to make big houses, cement. Then bricks, sand, etc. we can write. Any other wood. These all are some materials we use to build houses. Many years ago, how the people lived, children? Early humans. Yes, early humans lived in caves, we know. Isn't it? They lived in caves. Then later, people started to make house. Isn't it? Now everybody need to take your workbook. Page number 14. Everybody need to take page number 14. Yes, what is the name of our lesson? Different types of houses. The name of lesson is different types of houses. So you can see one house here. The picture of one house you can see here. By looking at this picture, we have to complete this table. Okay. So what is the question? You can see one table here. So first question. What is this house made of? Yes, this house is made of, we can see, yes, what are the materials used? Bricks, wood, glass, cement, okay, so etc. Many materials are used to build this house, okay, that you can write here. Then second column, give two reasons why someone would like to live in this house. Yes, what are the answers we can give, children? Why somebody is like to live in this kind of houses? Yes, because they may want to live in a big house. They may want to live in a big house with many rooms, garden. Okay, what is same between this house and your house? Yes, many similarities we can find between this house and your house. Yes, both houses have glass windows. Okay, both houses has rooms. So like that way you can write many similarities. My house also has glass windows, many rooms and garden. Like that way you can give the answer. Okay, the next one we have to discuss one practice question. Okay, so see children, fill in the blanks we will discuss later because many questions in the many questions from fill in the blanks we didn't discuss. Okay, then second question first we can discuss. What materials are used to build a house? What is your house built of? Yes, the materials used to build house: bricks, cement, wood, mud. Okay, you can write many examples, many materials you can write. Okay, then what is your house built of? Yes, my house built of bricks, cement. Okay, then many things are used, glass, etc. Okay, you can write which are the materials used to build your houses. Okay, so this much only we are discussing today. So I hope everybody understood today's class. This much enough for today's class. So we will meet in the next class. Okay, bye.